I love cooking stir fries at home because it's all about fast and furious cooking. This one's an extra special stir fry though because I'm going to be using these scallops. I found these at the red markets today and I just couldn't refuse picking them up. Look how fat they are. These scallops have been cleaned for me so they're ready for the pan. Now the stir fry takes moments to make, so I need to start rehydrating my noodles. These are glass noodles and you just want some hot water. Okay, while they're softening, I'll start chopping some vegetables. Not many vegetables in this dish. I really want to hero these gorgeous scallops. So some spring onions that I'll just cut into battens, just line them up. The sweetest part is always the white part of the spring onions. So I'll add all of them and just some of the dark green part. And some garlic chives. Garlic chives do have quite a strong garlic flavour, so you only need 2 or 3 of them. And again, we're going to cut them into 4cm battens. The last thing I'll add is some ginger. I'll grab a small spoon and I'll just scrape off the skin. And I'm not going to grate this. And now I'll thinly slice it, as thin as you can get it. It's plenty. And then what I like to do is just gather them into piles of 2 or 3 as opposed to a big stack. And then run your knife the opposite way so we get very thin matchstick-like pieces of ginger. And the other pile, so lots of ginger for this. All right. The last element of this dish to prepare is the sauce. Oyster sauce, and to accentuate the sweetness in the oyster sauce, some caster sugar and some soy sauce. That's all I'm adding to it at this stage. About a tablespoon of soy sauce. And with a spoon, we'll mix that together. Whenever you're stir frying, it's all about the preparation, getting everything in line, so then all you have to do is focus on the cook. So for the scallops, this is a really hot wok. You can see the thermo spots nice and hot. It's slightly smoking, so in with some vegetable oil. And then the scallops take no time at all to cook. So it's all about fast wok frying. Now the ginger can go in, and the spring onions and the garlic chives. Now we can flip this. Ooh, see we've got some colour. They just cook in about 30 seconds, so don't overcook them. And now we can add our noodles. So I'll just drain them with my hands, just excess water we don't want in here. And we'll just pop them in. And some pepper. Now I've coarsely cracked the pepper. I really want to taste the pepper in it and the texture of it too, so a sprinkle of it goes in now. I didn't want to add it too early because the pepper will burn. And my favourite part of a stir fry like this is all about the tossing. It smells fantastic. It's going to smell even better now when I add the sauce. So the oyster and soy mixture, we'll pour that in and I'll give that another toss. Oh, it smells good. All right, heat can go off. That's all there is to this stir fry. A big, generous plate of noodles and the scallops. Place in the centre there. And I want to hero the scallops, particularly with the roe on it. A few of the garlic chives and the spring onions can go on the top. And now to give this stir fry a crunch, I'm going to add something that doesn't seem right, but it works. It's very much like surf and turf. This is some pork crackling or scratchings. You can get it at most supermarkets now. What I'm going to do is just cut it up. Listen to that crunch. This is a lovely addition. Sweetness of the scallops, saltiness, crunchiness of the crackling. Match made in heaven. Sprinkle that over the top. And a cheek of lemon to finish it off. That is a fantastic stir fry, done in 10 minutes, full of flavour with the scallops, the glass noodles, and then made extra special with some pork crackling.